Hello Year 6, it's Mr Harris here, hope you can see me. I'm bringing you a quick video for Wednesday's maths, as we thought it would be helpful even though some of us are at school, and this time we are looking at pie charts, and that will be your task on My Maths. So, I'm going to look at this first question. 20 people were asked, what is your favourite fruit? And we've got the table here showing the frequency, and that's the number of people in the survey who said their favourite fruit was banana, apple, grapes or oranges. We can represent this in a pie chart. Now, I'm going to try and give you some help here. A pie chart is a bit like a circular bar model. It's just representing that information. So this bar represents the number of children in the survey. So, before I give you the answer, how many children were in the survey? Yep, that's right, 20. That means this bar model represents 20 children, or it could be anybody, just people, and this pie chart represents 20 people. We're trying to find out how much one part of the bar model would be, and to do that we just do, well, you try and answer. How would you do that? There's 20 in total, 10 parts. How much would each part be worth? That's right, it would be 2. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So I could label this now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. And to check, you just add them all up and that will equal 20. Well, now I'm going to try and see how can I work out how much of the bar or the pie chart is represented by each fruit. The pie chart will be the same. Each will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Right, I could do some labelling. I could say that the number of people who said banana was their favourite was 2. Well, that's one bar, so I could give that a B. The number of people who said apple was 10. Well, that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that number, 5 boxes in the bar, would be labelled as apple. And 6 said grapes, which they've done in blue here. So I could say 2, 4, 6. And then finally we've got the orange, which is purple as O. And it could be just the same as here. So banana is 1 part. The apple is 5 parts. A. The grapes are 3 parts. And the orange represents 1 part. Now when it comes to your question on My Maths, you'll have to go to yours and say, right, click on that, banana, 1 part, apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, grapes, 1, 2, 3 parts, and oranges, just 1 part. Then it asks us here, what fraction of the people chose oranges? Well, we can just use our simplifying of fractions, which we've done before. 2 people said oranges out of a total of 20. We can simplify this by dividing by the highest common factor, which is 2, and that will give us 1/10. And you can see there that actually 1/10 of our pie chart is coloured in as orange, so that would be 1/10. Okay, on to the second question. And I'll go on to here. This time we've got a survey to find out the different drink preferences of adults versus children. He asked what they like to drink with their breakfast. Now we've got different numbers in the survey. So this group, the adults, had 40 people asked. So, this is my adult bar. How many adults? Adults are represented in this bar and this pie chart. Yep, it's 40. Now to find out how much one part is worth, you'd have to do 40 divided by the number of parts. What would the missing number be here? Yeah, it would be divided by 8 parts, which gives us 5. So each part on here is worth 5. And it would be the same on our bar model at the bottom here. So, on that basis, I could colour in the number of T parts on this. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, each part being worth 5. The number of adults who said tea was their favourite drink to have with breakfast was 15. Okay, I'm not going to give you any more for that one. You can do that yourself. Now we look at the ones with children. Now this is slightly different because you'll have to count the parts of the pie chart. So maybe you could do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total there are 10 parts, but we've got 100 children. So this bar again, it's very similar to the pie chart, is 100 children. To find out what one part is, how many children that represents, we would divide it by the number of parts, which is, it's 10. And that means that each box or each part of my pie is worth 10. Okay, each part is worth 10. Now I might look at how many adults said that water was their favourite. And I can count that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So that will be 4 times 10. So 40 children said water was their favourite. And you can work out the other ones around that. I hope that's helpful for you children as you're looking for at pie charts today. Hopefully speak to you soon. Bye.